Today's video, I'm going to take you back through all the challenges that I was having while struggling to put together this 12-person tent. If you didn't catch that video, I'm going to leave that link down below in the description box. Welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time, hello, I'm Dominique. Damo for short and original because I am one of a kind. I appreciate you for stopping by. So hit that subscribe button and join the family. Let's get right in. My first issue was the directions or lack thereof. They were very vague, one, two, three steps only, and that sure was not enough for me. As you can see, the first diagram shows a picture of you to stake the tent. So that's what initially I started out to do. So as you can see, I went around the tent on a 45-degree angle and staked each stake into the ground. My next issue was with the fiberglass poles. Those poles are meant to provide flexibility for the tent to be able to bend. And with that being said, they are able to disconnect in between each other with ropes that holds them in between. This, guys, made it definitely frustrating and not the easiest thing because sliding within the fabric, the fiberglass poles would continuously snap, getting snagged upon each fabric, which was making it very time consuming. Also, when I was trying to disconnect, once I seen that I did not have the fiberglass poles inserted correctly, that again made a serious time consuming struggle to be able to try and pull the fiber glass rods out without them attaching to the fabric was nearly impossible. It was definitely discouraging and it was entirely too hot. With the three mixtures, it was definitely getting to be where I didn't know if I was going to be able to assemble the tent. But as I just sat patiently and just tried to take my time and untwine the ropes that was getting snagged in between the fabric, I was managed to be able to unrelease the fiberglass poles to get them out of the sleeves, to be able to reinsert them into the sleeves, to actually get into the hole through the loop correctly. And again, guys, that took a lot of time and patience. My next issue was with missing the loop. The loop is very important because this holds up the whole ceiling of the tent. I realized how important it was and that I noticed that step number two in those vague instructions, that did stand out to me when I looked at the picture. So therefore, when I came across it, I said, oh my goodness, I can't believe I missed the loop. So that means the tent would not stand up. So I had to then take the fiberglass rods out of the sleeves again, as much trouble as that was going to give me, and be able to reinsert them again. So this time I could manage to get it into the hoop, as shown in the picture in the directions. All right, so this is when I noticed that Not only did I have to go back in to rethread the poles to get to the loop, I actually this time was not paying attention. Once again, from frustration and the heat, I was not even realizing that my red pole, which is the top one, needs to be on top, and I have it underneath. Therefore, it will not be able to stand because of the weight of the other two poles will not allow it. So this is what you're going to see in the next footage, me struggling with that. Hey guys, so I noticed that here is another stake that I missed. So I'm just going to go in and stake that on a 45-degree angle on both sides. This part, guys, this is when I realized I would not be able to get this tent out without help. So I had to call in my daughter to come and hold the tent. So you'll see her come and hold the tent so I could try to see how can I adjust and maneuver to get this thing to stand up. Again, the directions does not tell you how to get it up. You all right over there? Yeah? All right. So, I've been struggling, but I'm almost there. Woo. I'm coming, boo. Let me get this one. Oh, Jesus. Woo. By golly, one leg up. Yes, ma'am. All right, guys. So now this is where you seen I got a leg up and I am ecstatic. It was like, I done won the lottery. So now what I'm realizing is the reason why I'm struggling so hard is because trying to administer those legs in the top first is not going to work. There's too much tension from the floor coming from the top with it being staked in. So I'm realizing that I need to take these stakes out, going through the bottom, and it's still tension pulling. So it's definitely still difficult to get in, but it's nothing like trying it from the top. And as you see in this last clip, that's exactly what you want to see me do. And from there, it's home run. So this last part, this is going to be a walk in the park. I'm just going to go and stake the top of the tent. I'm going to stake that down around first at a 45-degree angle. All right, so now I'm going to have to come around and get the rain fly. And that, once I stake that, again, it's going to be on a 45-degree angle. And guys, that's just it. That's the last part. Pretty much, that's all she wrote. I am done. So I really hope that this clears up any of the challenges that you may have seen me struggling with in my previous video. Again, that link will be down below in the description box. So until next time, Damo Squad, always remember, with God, all things are possible. I'm out.